Hi everyone, my name is Nayara Pires, and today I'll be discussing the impact of a port strike on the supply and demand of products in the US economy. We will explore how this disruption affects both businesses and consumers and what the long term consequences could be. As you probably heard on the news, on the first week of October, US ports from Maine to Texas shut down when the union representing about 45,000 dock workers went on strike for the first time since 1977. The union was demanding higher wages and a total ban on the automation of cranes, gates, and container moving trucks that are used in the loading or unloading of freight at 36 US ports. Ports are critical for importing and exporting goods in and out of the US. When these operations stop, it can disrupt the flow of products, causing a ripple effect across the economy. So let's explore the key areas affected by this. First, we'll look at the supply side effects. Ports handle a vast amount of imports, including essential products like electronics, clothing, and raw materials. A port strike can delay or completely halt deliveries, leading to shortages in stores and factories. As we learned in class, when supply decreases and demand remains constant, prices rise. This is a basic economic principle. With fewer goods coming in due to the strike, we are likely to see price hikes on everything from everyday products to raw materials used in manufacturing. Now let's move to the demand side. As imported products become scarce or expensive, consumers may shift their demand toward domestic alternatives. This can create a temporary increase in demand for locally made goods, but may not fully offset the impact of the shortage. With rising prices due to shortages, consumer purchasing power will decrease. People may cut back on spending, which can lower overall demand for goods and services, slowing down economic activity. A long-lasting port strike could slow down the economy. Businesses that depend on international trade might have to lay off workers, produce less, and grow more slowly, causing lasting problems for the US economy. When ports are blocked, businesses might use other shipping methods like air freight. However, air freight is a lot more expensive and less effective for big shipments, which could make supply chain issues worse and raise costs even more. A port strike have a significant impact on both the supply and demand of products in the US. It leads to shortages, higher prices, and economic disruption. The longer the strike lasts, the more severe the effects become, potentially causing lasting damage to businesses and consumers. Gladly, the strike lasted only 3 days, and it ended after the union and management negotiators reached a deal on wages. They decided to extend the current contract until January 2025 to allow more time to negotiate other issues. The strike had significant economic implications, with estimates suggesting daily losses of billions of dollars due to halted port operations.